What's up, guys? We're going to be taking this nice fancy new lock set and replacing this old one on the house that just got purchased by a buddy. We've done other lock set videos, but we've never talked about a two-piece ornate handle lock before. So I just want to go over the specifics of it. The deadbolt and the lock itself are kind of the same, but back here it has a little tab and it conceals a screw. It has a little spot in it right there where you put a small screwdriver like this, put it in there, and you just kind of turn the screwdriver. It's basically a brass ring over top of a rubber gasket. It's gonna kind of fly off like so. Then you can see in there the screw, and that's what holds the bottom of the ornate handle on. So we're gonna start taking this apart like we would any lock set. We're gonna kind of motor through this part, and then I'll show you how to put it back together, just because we've done a few videos on lock changes. Our beautiful new lock set. Packaged nicely. Gotta take all this apart so we can get the pieces ready to go. We do need the hardware box. All right, we're gonna start with the deadbolt. The deadbolt plunger comes and it has a side that says up. You gotta make sure that the up is up or it won't connect. Trust me, I've tried to do it without putting it up. This is an important little detail here. See how it has a half moon shape and that has the half moon shape? That has to go inside of it in the same shape, in the same direction for the lock to work. It also has to go through here the same way. This also has the word lock written on it, and the plunger's out, so you want it pointed at lock. It all should line right up. Smooth as butter. Put the screws in the plunger here. All right, move on to the lock set. This is a lot simpler. You just have to put the angled side towards the way the door shuts. So when it hits the strike plate, it compresses it. Handset hardware. All right, one thing to know, if you're installing one of these doors or one of these knobs on your door and it didn't previously have one, then you would need to measure from the center of the hole, basically, this, to one of these 3 holes right here on this handle, and then drill your hole through so that it would line up. This comes with the 3-way because some people cut them different. The old style handles came, I believe it was a 7-inch, then there was an 8-inch, and then an 8.5-inch span. So we're gonna put this one in here. Just like installing a normal doorknob, I'm gonna kind of power through this just so we don't have to worry about it. But just in case you don't know, this lines up, the shield goes inside of there so that it can all actuate just like that, and then you screw it together. Yep. All right. Now we're going to take the long screw here, and that's what goes through the door, through this little disc, just like the one we popped off earlier. And we're going to tighten it up. All right, we just ran into a problem for this door. This hole is drilled at an odd size, and this old one, you could slide this thing up and down to wherever you needed the hole to be. So we're going to swap this plate into this and see if we can get it to work that way. Never ran into this problem before, but nothing goes the way it's supposed to. Welcome to DIY. All right. Now we got to find the old bolt. So we're going to reuse the old bolt and the old donut. This one slides. So I literally just have to get it in here where it goes and then get it into that hole, and the screw's going to work just like that. Make sure you take the time to figure this bottom one out first. If you're doing a new one and the door didn't previously have a hole, just drill it at the right depth and you don't have to worry about it. All right, on to the handle. Smooth action. Let's shut it. This door we just put weather stripping on. It's brand new, so I'll adjust it tomorrow if it needs to be adjusted, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Need the cap. Should be the new one in here. That's another video brought to you by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.